I have a question, you guys. Why is it that Umusa Mseleku is the one who has requirements of Umpumelelo's woman in his life? So Umayeni and Umpumelelo were having a conversation, and Umayeni says something that gives off the illusion, you guys, that Umusam Siligwe has requirements for these baby mamas zigampumelelo. And yeah. So Umayeni basically said Musa wanting the ladies to behave like wives. She speaks about something like that she says to Umpumelelo that sometimes your father wants your girlfriends or your ladies to behave like wives, to dress a certain way, to handle themselves in a certain way. And Mayeli basically says that she always wants to be, she won't always be there to defend them. So it looks like it's something where Umusa has a conversation complaining about maybe their deeds, the way they act, the way they dress, and all of that. And Mayeni will defend the ladies and say no. They are young, like these women are not married. They shouldn't be obligated to act in a certain way, whereas Umpumlelo has not even done right by them. And I thought to myself, hey guys, remember, yes, Uvuyo guys, she stopped following Umosa after that whole incident of the virgin thing came out in last season. That is when Umelelo was having a conversation with Umayini and Umusa around the virgin thing. Now, I don't get about why Uvuyo is adding Umusa in it. I don't get why I get it and I don't get it. I don't get it why she unfollowed him. Because it looked like even in the meeting she was having, it looked like she was holding all three of them accountable for what Umpumelelo said. And I'm like, that is not fair, number one. And number two, there's no wisdom in it. It's not wise. The reason why I'm saying it's not wise, at the end of the day, guys, she has not one, but two children from the Msilego household. And one of her children actually stays there. So how is she then going to have like a good type of relationship with people that she feels like are not on her side? Yes, they might not be on her side, but I just feel like just cultivate and work at having a cordial relationship with them for the sake of you have kids with this family and for the sake that one of your child is actually staying there. So it looked like she was kind of like asking, because she even asked a question at the meeting, and Umayemi even asked Ubuzatina, like, are you asking us or are you asking Umpumelele that question? I feel like even the whole meeting of her calling Umayeni and Umusa into the meeting was kind of a bit, yeah, like it was kind of a bit like disrespectful in a sense because the matter that she was discussing was really between her and Umpumelelo. It was between her and a person. So she can't want to call his parents in and what must they say to him? What really must they say to him? Because she wants to see them reprimanding him and then what? Because things are not going to go back to normal because Umpumelelo, he's a grown man, you guys. So that's the aspect that I feel like there's no wisdom in what she did. Maybe she just, I don't know, maybe she was just mad at them and unfollowed them and that is that. But at the same time, the reason why I'm saying I get it is because, like, imagine us guys, we are the public and we are able to see Musa's influence on Umpumelele's life. Now imagine being Umpumelele's girlfriend and seeing it firsthand and basically feeling like this guy, anything that his father says goes. So I feel like Uvuyorazi knows very well that the father supports that whole nonsense of that whole reasoning around the virgin, why Umpumilelo wants to take a first wife as a virgin and all of that. So I think that's the reason, that's the part I get, that she probably knows that Umusa might come out here in the public and act like he's reprimanding Umpumelelo. But we all know, guys, that Umusa supports Umpumelele's decisions and most of his actions. We all know it. So it just made me think when Umayeni said that, And guys, I went to go and double check again on Musa's side because I know Uvuyokazi unfollowed Musa. I went to and double check on Musa's side. Musa is neither following Uvuyokazi as well, but he only follows Utirelo. So it really makes me feel like the relationship there has really been ruined in a sense, because for him to also unfollow her probably meant ukuthi he was also saying, I'm not going to ncenga Uvuyokazi. And then Mpumelelo says ukuthi Uvuyokazi is his father's wife. When he was explaining ukuthi the first wife, Umacele, is for Abadala, the second one is for his father, and the last one, which is Uturelo, is Owake. And that one we'll discuss on another video. But I'm just like, so the one who's your father's wife is the one that they don't get along. Because Musa intentionally, he wouldn't just follow Utirelo and not follow Uvuyokazi. So intentionally, he unfollowed her, which makes me think that this relationship is strained. But it also makes me feel somehow of Umusa, because why are you having requirements of how these girls should be dressing, of how these girls should be speaking, of how these girls should be carrying themselves in public, whereas your son is not even doing well towards these women? That is just like the double standards there. I don't know. I feel like even the whole thing of Mpumelelo not taking Uvuyokazi as his first wife might even be influenced by Umsilegu himself. Because if Umsilegu could tell Mpumelelo, no, just take her as your first wife and don't, Mpumelelo would listen to him. So I truly do feel that Musa has a hand even in Uvuyokazi not being taken as first wife. Musa probably said, this one is going to give you problems. Listen to what I am saying. Take a one that is like my Matsele, a one that is basically going to love you so much that she's going to put your vision above her own life, above her own self. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you in the next one.